all you dreadful dolls, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. I'm Lindsay. So, my friends, guess what time it is? That's right, it's Maniac, Mayhem, and Mystery Box time. So, I have here Dipomania's April 2022 Persephone Ascending box. So, a little bit about these Dipomania boxes. They are only quarterly and very limited. But with that being said, though, these boxes are very special and aren't like any other big store slapped together and mass produced box. So, I wanted to tell you guys that so much love and planning goes into every Dipomania box. So, a little behind the scenes. So I wanted to let you guys know that once a theme is decided on, the team quickly gets started planning on every little detail, coordinating to the theme or story of the box, from the prop to the accessories, down to the little extras, the dip names, and so much more. So as each of you dive into your Dipomania boxes, please take a close look around because you may notice little special things here and there, kind of like little Easter eggs. So this is why each box is special, like no two boxes are the exact same. So please take a moment, let your imagination and wonderment run wild. Take in every little detail of your Dipomania boxes. Let them tell you their story. So as we dive into this box, I'm going to do it a little bit differently because I want to tell you the story behind this theme of this box. So Persephone Ascending was the theme. So who is Persephone? Well, according to Greek mythology, Persephone, also known as Cora or Cora, and in Roman mythology, Prosperina, is a dual goddess. She is the goddess of spring, and she also rules the underworld alongside Hades as his queen. But wait, how did she become a dual goddess, you ask? So we go back to a time when Persephone is this young, beautiful woman and devoted daughter of Zeus, god of the sky, and Demeter, goddess of the earth. So Persephone loved to please her mother Demeter and thought one day, I know the perfect gift for her. I will go and I will pick the freshest of wildflowers. And she did just that. So while Persephone is selecting an array of beautiful flowers for her mother, Hades sees her. He instantly falls in love and thinks, I must have her and I must make her my queen. But Demeter kept close eyes on Persephone, and she also kept her away from any male suitors. So Hades came up with a plan. So as Persephone was out picking flowers, she notices a narcissus flower, and she leans down to pick it when suddenly the ground opens up and swallows her. Hades had kidnapped her, and he also tricks her into becoming his wife by letting her eat 6 pomegranate seeds. So this totally saddens Demeter so much that she becomes so angry and she threatens to make the earth completely barren if she couldn't have Persephone back. So Zeus, hearing of this and seeing just how upset it made Demeter, decides to organize a compromise. Because him and Hades had quarrels and, he wanted to keep Demeter happy and Hades happy. So Zeus decides to rule that Persephone would spend half of the year with Demeter and the other half with Hades. So in Greek mythology, that's how we get our seasons. That's how the seasons came to exist. So Persephone ascends during the spring and summer when the earth is thriving, and then she returns to the underworld during the fall and the winter when the land becomes barren and the plants of the earth die back, giving us the goddess of spring and the queen of the underworld. All right, and so there's our little story for this box, Persephone Ascending. So every little detail of this box is going to coordinate with Persephone. From the pomegranate tea to the flower brush to the hand soak that we're about to get into, and the dip names, and even in the prop. So please, that's why I was telling you, dive into your boxes. Take a second to completely check everything out because it's not just nail stuff or dip stuff. Every little thing goes with the story. And I think that's absolutely just so cool and amazing because who doesn't love a good story? So from the flower brush here, that goes along with spring. You'll notice a lot of rose gold stuff in this box for the color scheme. It's just amazing the way these boxes are planned out. So much detail. It's so cool. All right, so let's get to describing some of the things in this box. So the tea is just for fun. I have heard it's delicious, so I can't wait to give it a try. Here we have Persephone's seed hand soaked by the Witch's Cabinet. The Witch's Cabinet stuff, y'all go check her out. I'll show you the business card with all of the information. She is amazing. We have had previous cuticle balms by her and cuticle oils, so much great things, and it's all natural. I believe she grows and like makes her own stuff. So that is, I mean, how could you not love that anymore? So let's give this a little open and a little sniffy sniff. And I'll have to do a separate little video of us using this because it looks like it's got little flower petals in there. Oh, and it just smells absolutely amazing. And as always, I will list everything in the description box down below. So if y'all want to go check anybody out, please, yeah. So it'll be all there. How cool is that? So there's little flower petals in there. That is so neat. I'm such a sucker for like skincare and bath products and hand products. So again, this is by the Witch's Cabinet. And if you have made it this far, guess what? I have an extra box and we are going to do a giveaway. That's right. So y'all hang tight with me. Here in a little bit, as we get a little bit further in this box, I will explain all of the details for the giveaway. All right, so we have Dipomanias, not another nail tool. One end is soft wax for picking up your rhinestones to give those nails a little extra bling bling. And the other end is a sharp cuticle tool used for like when you dip your nails, you want to scrape along that cuticle line just to make filing a whole lot easier on yourself. All right, next up, here's the information for the Witch's Cabinet and another little sample of her cuticle oil. It just smells absolutely amazing. Ooh, juicy papaya. All right, so there's her information, and then she even includes a little note on what all goes into the ingredients and the hand soak and the cuticle oil. All handmade. That is just amazing. Of course, we gotta give this little sniffy sniff. It felt really great on the skin, so I could just imagine how much my cuticles are gonna soak up all that goodness. Oh, and of course, it's bad luck if you don't eat a piece of candy. All right, so let's jump into our next thing. Ooh, look at this big old sucker. Y'all, I am such a sucker. Haha, pun intended. When people put candy and little treats in their packaging. No nail mail or box is complete without some sweets. That's so cute. And it's flower shaped to match. That is so awesome. All right, and next up we have our hand prop by Resine Artiste. She has been making our props for the last few boxes and it just is absolutely amazing. So here's another thing that I would like for you to examine and look closely at. Oh, here's her information. Again, I'll leave everything down in the description box if you want to go check her out. But okay, so back to the prop. So again, Persephone Ascending. We've talked about pomegranate seeds. We've talked about flowers for spring. So please take a look at each of your props because none of them are the same. So look, there's the little pomegranate seeds. She put rose gold in there to match the theme and the colors of the box. There's little flowers in the middle encapsulated in there. How awesome is that? And it says Dipomania 2022. Just so incredible. That is just so cool. I love resin art. Just, oh, it's just so neat. But yeah, so look at your prop because none of them are the same. So you might see something different in yours that might not be in mine. And yeah. So Persephone Ascending Dipomania 2022 resin prop by the amazing Resine Artiste. All right, my friends, back to the giveaway details. So, to enter to win one of these awesome Maniac, Mayhem, and Mystery boxes, all you gotta do is comment down below your favorite color from this mystery box, and you have to be a US resident. I'm so sorry. And you have to be a subscriber. So please like and subscribe. This is just for you guys. So if you didn't get a chance to get your hands on one of these awesome Dipomania April 2022 Persephone Ascendant boxes, that's all you got to do to enter to win. Comment down below and I'll leave all the details in the description box. All right, guys, let's dip into this dip bag. All right, so we have Dipomania business information. You can find all kinds of sweet nail products at dipomania.com. And if it's your first time to order, please use Lindsay Mania 10 and you'll receive 10% off your very first order. Okay, so first up we have Ambrosia. This is a magnetic dip powder sample. Very, very gorgeous, like a light sagey kind of green. The magnetic in it is like a pinky purple. Very pretty, very pretty. All right, next up, we have Cora. So remember from our story, Cora was another name for Persephone. This one is also a green with lots of iridescent flakies in it. So gorgeous, you guys. All right, next up we have Wildflowers, another one from our story. So remember, Persephone loved to pick wildflowers for her mom Demeter. How beautiful is this? So it's got lots of textured glitters in there. Greens, purples, pinks, perfect spring colors. Could you imagine this being like a field of flowers? So pretty. Oh, sorry you guys, Shorty's in the house, so she's back there chewing on a bone. Okay, so next up we have Prosperina. So again, back to our story. This was another name for Persephone in Roman mythology. This is a gorgeous purple thermal. That's right. So it's got lots of really cool like iridescent flakies that are kind of like orangey pink, and it goes to a white when warm. Look at that, like how sensitive that thermal change is. Ooh, now you can really see those flakes in there. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, my dolls. So here are our colors all together. All right, so from left to right, we have Ambrosia, Wildflowers, Cora, and Prosperina. All right, so y'all know what to do to enter that giveaway. Comment down below with your favorite color from this box, and you'll be entered to win one of these boxes. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. So thanks for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, bye.